my birthday, it's 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 my birthday. Okay guys, it's my fucking birthday! I am your neighbor! Shake it. I'm 18 years old. Follow me on Instagram at Gemini. Hi. It's my birthday beats. It's my birthday beats. I'm crazy.
Yes, you are. Oh my god.
It's my birthday. There's still cake left. Is it good? Yes, it's so good. It's my birthday! It's my birthday! So we just got here, guys. Oh, there's a fish! Ready? Set?
Oh no! My god! I'm freaking stupid! Why did I do that? That was my fault. Okay, God.
Stop!
Damn, that's far.
Stop laughing! I think I'm growing abs. I think I'm getting abs from laughing so hard.
Bro, look.
Guys, I can't walk on everything.
Alright, guys. So much. I can't hate her for it though. I can't hate her for it. It's like I love you. I'll do it anyways because I love you.
I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you too, Nicole. Natalie! I need food!
You need food? What kind? Yeah, you want noodles?
Spaghetti, yeah.
You want noodles and meatloaf?
Yes.
She said, I'm stupid! Oh no.
It's not a focus.
It's not focusing. Who's pregnant?
I'm pregnant. It's your
pregnant?
baby, you're the daddy.
I'm the dad. I'm honored. Just like your Instagram post.
Yeah. You're so pretty, Natalie. Oh my god. Okay, Natalie bought me a Red Bull.
Oops.
I'm not supposed to drink Red Bull. I'm not supposed to drink Red Bull.
I don't care. I've never finished one, so you know.
Red Bull?
I got one too.
And it was 2 for $5, I think.
No, 2 for $5.50, and it ended up with $5.93.
How did that happen?
I don't know. Tax. We're in America, bitch.
I'm in the dark, you score I'm in the dark, I'm like big, and you can get popped wherever I shine them out and knock the stick on
want to eat? This is America.
I want a cheese burger.
You want a cheeseburger? Hi, could I get a cheeseburger? What does he want?
Yeah, that's it.
You don't want fries then?
Want
Yeah,
fries?
fries.
Like the meal?
A small order fries.
She doesn't like soda. She does not like soda.
What the fuck?
Yeah, my car.
Hey, look, this is what America drive-thru looks like. Look over there. We got a vapor. We've never seen people vape before.
Okay, they're about to come.
They're about to come. And we're about to get our food.
I don't know if they would appreciate it.
Her food. Her food.
Hers right there.
Right there.
I'm hungry. I'm starving.
She's starving. We haven't ate all day.
You should be starving too.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm not hungry. Right here, this is what it looks like going into the hands.
Yep, going into the hands.
Going into the hands of the
We're not gonna take videos of her though because
because we're respectful.
Thank
Do you know what this finger
I
means?
have my food, guys.
That's
I won't be starving anymore.
Fuck it, I'ma give her a taste.
What is going on?
I ain't fucking cause she won't below my standard.
I don't know how I know your password.
What the fuck?
But it's not no cool. Standing in the motor.
Bye, Natalie. See you tomorrow. I love you.
I love you.
Bye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Noodles date.
Noodles dates.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Love you.
The end.